Hi guys, how are you? कैसे हैं आप लोग? So guys, I am ARUN SETIA and I am over here to request ICSI on behalf of all CS executive and CS professional students, those who were enrolled in old syllabus, and according to the guidelines of ICSI, December was their last attempt and now they have to shift to new syllabus. So from last few days I am getting so many calls and messages from all over India जिसमें students मुझे बता रहे हैं कि due to some circumstances they were not able to appear in December, और जिन बच्चों ने appear करा भी है तो due to some reasons, maybe that was health issues or maybe financial issues, they were not able to study properly, and now if they are shifted to new syllabus, that means उनके existing papers के साथ कुछ नए papers भी add हो जाएंगे, and I think this is hardship for them because according to the current circumstances we can see हर फैमिली में कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज, कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं, जिसकी वजह से ईदर स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर focus on their studies, या फिर they are not able to appear their exams. So I request all esteemed members of ICSI, please look into this consideration and please extend one more attempt for all the students जो कि old syllabus में थे, at least for June 2022. As well as I will request all the students of ICSI जो लोग old syllabus में enrolled है, and if due to any reasons they were not able to appear their exams in December, या अगर appear भी करा है and उन्होंने proper पढ़कर नहीं appear कर पाए because of any reason, please comment box में अपनी reasons लिखिए and circulate this video to all your friends, ताकि ये वीडियो हम ICSI प्रेसिडेंट और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट तक पहुंचा सकें, उन सभी एस्टीम्ड मेंबर तक पहुंचा सकें जो इसके ऊपर एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शंस लें और आपके लिए एक अटेम्प्ट जून 2020 तक के लिए बढ़ाया जा सके. सो होपिंग फॉर दैट इस वीडियो को वो सभी एस्टीम्ड एंड ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स देख रहे होंगे and they will take appropriate action, and hoping for the positive response from you all. And once more, all CS students, don't forget to write your problems which you faced in the December attempt and बताइए ICSI के members को कि आपने क्या क्या problems face करी and why your one attempt should be extended. Thank you very much. Goodbye to everyone. God bless you.